Welcome to Suite 401 at Brown's in London. You come in and you get a feeling of space, subtle lighting, space, and books. My goodness, I must count up and see how many books I've got. This is just one shelf, and there are two shelves like that. There is an enormous desk, and here's another bookshelf. I think they're either assuming that people are going to live here, or they are bookaholics and read incredibly fast. Now, I love this because we've got a crudité and fruit sets, and the fruit are one piece of fruit per cloche. Grapes and figs and little satsumas, and a bottle of Moet. They really know how to welcome you here. And they found out that I like single flowers. It is residential because there are logs as if in a fire. And this is a typical Olga Polizzi decoration, a wooden block for hats. That's such fun. Some people must wonder what on earth it is. And then down 2 steps into the bedroom with a marvelous double put-you-up settee, I guess. Books either side of the bed. And here there's much better lighting. We've got wall lights over the bed as well as bedside lights that are really high. Gorgeous fabric for the curtains. And Mozart letters by my bed. And there's a lovely card to discover the new Roccoforte house in Milan. Clever marketing. Haven't finished yet. Got to nip around this room. Having come down 2 steps, now I go up 1 step, a wall of mirrors, the toilet area, and the bathroom with all the necessaries: television, grab rails, flour, heated towel rail, 2 basins, big soaps, and my goodness, look, a big shower with seating for 2 in it. Well, what more could one want? Perhaps I'll go and open that bottle of champagne.